OK. So this will be everything about the viral making tool. First, we have the account management. This will help you to add and manage multiple trader accounts like this. And basically, you can add unlimited number of accounts. First is the system installation. Here, we'll help you to set up the IP and help you set up the general configuration, like login with cookie and Chrome viewer and the CAPTCHA, JWT, and change language and number of thread it will open in account management. To add account, we will click to add category. Here first, we will need to add a category that we want, and then we click here to save. Then we add account. Normally, the Twitter account will have the format, such as username, pass 2FA email, pass mail, sometime cookie, and then we choose the category. And then we choose the format username, pass, to have a private key and email, pass mail, and cookie, and then we press save. After we save the account, we will choose the refresh data, and then we choose the category. And then it will show all the account that we have. Next, we have the select column. Here, it will help you to show up every column that you wanted to see, like the username, the pass, the full name, private key, and email, cookie, pass mail, status, everything. To right-click, we will have Select will help you to select and unselect multiple accounts. You can log into Twitter. You can update account information. You can paste proxy. You can delete an account and delete proxy. You can copy the username, proxy, or copy by configuration, meaning copy anything you want. We can check account status. This is Chrome profile. Help you to delete Chrome profile, backup Chrome profile, clean Chrome profile, and this will help you to switch category. And lastly is quit all Chrome profile. To log in, you will choose the account. Next, we have the content management. This section will help you to add and manage multiple content. First, you will click here to add category name, and then we're adding post. You can add status or you can attach image. If you want to generate by AI, you will choose this and configuration here. You can choose to English, the tone, and then the description at this prompt. OK. You go add the content here, and then add the image here. Like this. If you have multiple image, then you will enter this number more. You can choose image in order or random. It means you have 100 image here, and you only attach, like for image. So it will only random pick random in those 100 image. And there's a valid character, like if you enter here number and enter here a smile, then it will auto take a random number and a random icon. You choose like this. Yeah. And then you press save. OK. After we have the content, we're moving on. We have the interaction script. This will help you to make an automation script so you can warm up your Twitter account. You can read notification, like post, repost.